What's the big idea? Oh, get out of town? Oh, no. Yeah, well, I'll give you a buzz later, mate. Catch you. Hi, I'm Claire Mills. I'm here for Bloke vs Nature. Hi. It's really easy to put up a tent when it's in the darkness.
Especially when the sun's out.
Here, we have a Coke. Yes. Yes, that is a Coke fern, and you'll be pretty much to find a Coke anywhere in here. You just gotta look for it nice, warm, right. Okay.
I love these perennials.
Yes, here we are. We've got the bottle of Coke. Yes, smell. Okay, let's take this back.
Back to the lodge. It's been a tough day, but it's not over yet. I still have to find food, shelter, and fast.
You can pretty much find these species of orange around this bush. It's a good source of vitamins and minerals. I think it's time for me to rest. I'm getting a bit tired. These nice soft chair bushes give some nice rest.
It was a tough day, and thank you for watching. Tune in next week on Channel 10.